Ever feel like you're winning? Like, really winning at life? It's that moment when everything seems to be going your way, and you can't help but feel on top of the world. Your savings account is looking healthy, your bills are paid on time, and you even managed to treat yourself to a takeaway without a second thought. It's a rare and beautiful feeling, seeing that little number in your account grow. You feel a sense of accomplishment, a sense of security. You can enjoy the little luxuries in life without constantly worrying about your finances. It's like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. I was there, man. I was living the dream. Every day felt like a victory and I couldn't help but smile. It's a beautiful feeling seeing that little number in your account grow. It gives you a sense of pride and accomplishment. Makes you want to dance a jig, shout it from the rooftops. You feel invincible, like nothing can bring you down. I'm responsible. I'm an adult. I've got this whole life thing figured out. But then, just when you think you've got it all under control, life throws you a curveball. Yeah, the universe loves that, doesn't it? Just wait for it. Boom! My car decides it's a comedian. Timing's impeccable right after that takeaway high. Engine starts sounding like a grumpy troll, smoke coming from places smoke shouldn't be. Mechanic gives me that look, you know the one. The your wallet's about to cry look. Turns out my car's inner workings decided to throw a retirement party. Expensive party. My savings felt that one. Just when I thought things couldn't get worse, I sneezed. Not just any sneeze, a sneeze that could shame a hurricane. Turns out I pulled a muscle I didn't even know existed. Doctor visit, x-rays, the whole 9 yards. The bill? Don't even get me started. Apparently, sneezes are pricey these days. Who knew? My savings definitely knew. Section 4. Technology's expensive practical jokes. My phone decides to join the party. It's like it has a mind of its own, choosing the worst possible moment to give up on life. The screen goes black, deader than my dreams of a vacation. No amount of button pressing or desperate shaking brings it back to life. It's like a tiny expensive brick now. Turns out, phones have a lifespan shorter than my patience after dealing with cars and doctors. Just when you think you've got everything under control, technology throws a wrench in your plans. New phone, new dent in the savings. It's like a never-ending cycle of spending. You save up for something nice, and then bam, your phone dies, and there goes your hard-earned cash. The universe was on a roll, laughing its cosmic butt off at my expense. It's almost as if there's a cosmic joke being played on me, and I'm the punchline. Technology, man. It's a love-hate relationship. Mostly hate when your bank account's involved. You love the convenience, but the cost? That's a different story. Every time I think I'm ahead, technology finds a way to pull me back down. Section 5. Life's hilarious little ironies. So there I am, back to square one. It's funny how life has a way of throwing curveballs when you least expect it. Just when you think you've got everything figured out, something comes along to remind you that you're not in control. Savings account looking like a desert after a plague of locusts. You work hard, save diligently, and then, out of nowhere, an unexpected expense wipes out your savings. It's almost as if the universe is playing a practical joke on you. The irony? I can't even afford to be stressed about it. Stressing costs energy, and right now, conserving energy is the name of the game. So you laugh it off, because what else can you do? It's either that or cry, and laughter is definitely the better medicine. Life, man. It's like a stand-up comedian with a wicked sense of humor. Just when you think you've heard the last joke, another one comes along, even funnier and more unexpected than the last. It's a never-ending comedy show, and we're all part of the audience. Just when you think you're ahead, bam! Another punchline hits you right in the wallet. It's like the universe has impeccable timing, always knowing the perfect moment to deliver that gut-busting joke. And you can't help but admire the comedic timing, even if it stings a little. You gotta laugh though, right? What else can you do? Laughter is the best way to cope with life's little ironies. It brings people together, makes the tough times a bit more bearable, and reminds us that we're all in this together. So keep laughing, because that's what makes life truly beautiful.